Hello, good morning, everyone.
Hello.
Sorry, today I'm on my way. I'm in a car right now, so the majority of the sharing of the screen will be done from Alvin's side. Alvin, do you want
Okay.
to share the screen for the market today?
Oh, should we like move to the hypothetical page? Yeah. And
Yes,
the option.
yes, yeah. Do you want to share that? Because basically, like when I wake up this morning, I check the market quickly. I think everything is bleeding, right? MU is bleeding. Circle had a really huge selling session yesterday. This morning, I think it
Yeah.
went. Circle went back from like 88 to 95 this morning. Hype is around like 67 to 68. Bitcoin is around like a little bit over 64,000. Um,
Yeah. Even nearly lower, maybe like 1K or 2K left for breaking over 60K. Yeah, so it's very cruel in the past few
yeah,
days.
yeah. Last night I was like having dinner, right? And then I was even joking with a couple, like also friends from the industry. They were like, "Okay, let's maybe open a short position on Bitcoin." And then after we finished dinner, it went from I think 64K to 62,000. But today, I do think it bounced back a little bit. No.
Um, a little? Yeah, from 61 to 64. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
like 3K. And many indicators and index show we are in a deeply what is it like greedy and index.
Yeah. I I feel like so. First of all, I mean,
Fear.
I dig
Yeah.
into the reason why Bitcoin had a huge decrease, but no, to be honest, nobody in this market can give a clear answer. I do think it's really because the decreasing attention of people that people are putting into Bitcoin because all of the people are aping into AI stocks. Everybody is like putting a lot of attention on US stocks. And then we also see a lot of like huge outflow from the Bitcoin ETFs. So that's primarily the trigger of like why the crypto all the crypto assets are seeing such a huge downturn for the last several days.
Yeah, we can also check the option price for the Bitcoin.
Mhm. Yeah, it's on the
Yeah, we can
stage.
we can see the highest volume is the 45K one. Wow.
So people are really pricing, I guess, like a out. Should I say outlier? But pricing like an extremely low price of Bitcoin, and they wanted to be able to capture that price.
Yep, 45.
Hmm.
And is there 82K in July?
For the July call. People are just like buying, I guess, like buying insurance for extreme prices. You can have like extreme downswing of the price, extreme upswing of the pricing. Mm. But
Mm,
again, like I even sent a tweet yesterday. I I just think it's more of a matter of like this year, crypto assets will definitely still experience volatility, but I sent a tweet specifically about Circle. I still think because Circle or USDC is maintaining or having such a dominant position of its adoption, right, as the most regulatory and widely spread or widely adopted US digital coin, then I I I remain a very bullish outlook for Circle as a stock itself. Mm. And I do see a lot of like a couple of other KOLs or like big accounts on Twitter also talk about like the mm. On the other side, Alva, do you want to pull out the all the stocks pricing?
Yeah. I
Oh,
can
let me
also
pull out this is
I can
the great and
share
fair index
yeah
for the
interesting
crypto
page.
market. It's like people are extremely fair right now.
Yeah, and we can see the percentage of the prediction market. Yeah,
I
maybe
can't hear you.
it's
Are you muted, Albert? Or is it my internet?
I'm now muted. I'm not. Is it
Probably
all good?
is my internet. But you cannot
Okay.
you can hear me, right, Albert?
Yes, yes,
Oh, okay.
yes. Oh, the page is in Chinese, but I can simply explain.
Then I don't know
People.
what's wrong with my voice then here.
Um, can you hear me right now? Cannot? Can you hear me? Oh, oh,
Can you hear me, Alvin? I can't really hear you.
yes, yes. I can hear. I can hear you.
Maybe it's because of my internet, but it's very weird. If I can hear you, but you I if you can hear me, but I cannot hear you.
Hmm. Why? Oh, and I may like try logging again. Okay, let's wait a minute for a second. Right now,
Mm, I think
what about
the mobile phone setting is really weird. I'm trying to figure it out. How do I change this?
okay?
Alvin, are you still on the stage?
Yes.
Mm, oh, let's try again. Well,
Okay.
I cannot hear you, Alvin. That's the problem.
Oh, why?
Uh, Alvin, do you want to watch the live stream from your other device and see if like people can hear you, or is it just like my problem? Do you want to try it?
Okay. Yes. Let me
Probably
try.
you can check on your phone to see, or I can refresh like it's like the live stream room. Sorry, guys, we're having a bit like technical problem right now. Mhm.
Let me let me try. Let me try.
why there's, oh my god. And how can I also see there's like someone who is commenting in the maybe from Twitch, right? And that person is like using my name and then promoting like fake information to people.
Oh
So
shit.
guys, please do not click on like whatever is in the comment section about the link. That's not just from the official account. We are not promoting that.
Yeah, it's a scam for sure. Oh, and my device works normal. Can hear my voice. What's the problem? Okay, still waiting, Mina.
I'm back, Owen. Okay, I think it's probably because of my problem. I was like getting off a bridge. Uh, so that's the reason why.
Oh, like a internet issue?
Yeah, I think so. I think like literally, I maybe like you were able to hear me all the time, right? But I wasn't able to hear anything from you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
but I'm back. Sorry, guys. I was just
Okay.
saying, like, for
Let's move
anything
on.
that in the comments section, like, please don't trust those links, right? Like, if we don't, I think, like, for me and Alvin, we don't take any like advertisement right now. We are also not promoting any specific product. But going back to like what the market is, we're saying like the sentiment for the crypto market is like extremely bearish right now, and people have like significant fear towards like where the market is going. And usually, actually, oh, that's a time to buy. No,
Yeah.
I really don't want to say this, but that's usually how the patterns matches, right? Um,
Yeah. Actually, many big KOLs or even Serenity posted about, oh, they are gonna like start the first a batch of a wave of DCA or something. But for people like Serenity, uh, he or she mentioned that it's a swing trade, by the way, not a long-term holding strategy. So
mm,
depends on
mm.
everyone's trading strategy. We can buy now for swing trade or even uh to keep an eye on the future uh price movement or something. Yeah, but
I
it's a
agree.
good place to yeah.
Yeah, I agree because I still maintain the outlook that like this year for all the cryptocurrency, right? It will be super volatile. So if you
Yep.
don't like if you want to buy and hold, sure, but it like for users or for audience who are looking for like a quick win, then I don't think like it's a good time to buy and hold, right? Like if you are worried about, oh, you need to wait for another like 2 to 3 years. But if you just say, oh, short term, I want to capture some swing volatility and benefit from it, you can probably like do a small position here. And then after a certain amount, I don't know like what's the satisfaction to each person, depends on your own um risk comfort, right? Then you can decide like where you capture the profit. But when people say, oh, they want to do the swing trade, usually they will take like a decent size of, say,
Yes.
of that bag, and then they will hold like a very short term, probably like a couple of days. And then once they hit that percentage, they will just like sell all the positions.
Yep. So depends
Mm.
on everyone's risk management, and I think yeah, it's a perfect time for us to DCA for like 3 to 6 months. Yeah, I think it's a very good entry point. Yeah, if
For the
you
spot, I agree.
yeah, if you have no position right now, I think it's a good time. Yeah, 60K. I think the average cost like 50K, 55K, or 60K is quite safe compared to like 80K or even higher to hold
Mm-mm.
until the next bull run. Yeah,
Agree. And I still believe like crypto as an industry will still exist. Um,
for sure,
and
for sure.
and Bitcoin is probably the most decentralized asset you can ever get. So
Yeah,
use that
we
as
can
for your
even
information.
check like the mining machine closing price is nearly like targeted at the nearly 40% of the mining machine right now. So I think yeah,
Mm-mm.
it's a good entry point. And by the way, the website, the URL of this website called fuckbdc.com.
What is it?
The URL of this website, it's called
Okay.
fuckbdc.com. So it's very easy to
Fuck me.
remember.
This is
And
uh,
yeah, and it's even built by the founder of f pool, the biggest mining pool in the space,
oh,
one of the biggest
I
mining pool. Yeah.
I saw he is going to the space, no? The
Oh,
founder.
that's another one. That's another one. Yeah.
I see.
So yeah, all of them are very like mm, able to do lots of things in the space. Yeah. Even outer space right now.
Outer space, yeah. The to fulfill the humanity's dream and chase, eternal chase to go to Mars. Fun fact, like if you want to go to Mars, actually take you at least like 2 to 3 years back and forth. At least.
Wow. I cannot imagine that. It's another stage for the human being and yeah, definitely unlock some achievement milestone of our life.
Martians. We call it Martians. I mean, human being going to
Mm.
another planet or even inhabit on another planet has been a long-term dream. And then since we are already talking about it, let's talk about the SpaceX IPO. Do we
Yeah.
have more information about the SpaceX IPO? Actually, this morning I see Robinhood. It
Yes.
pops up like the notification for the SpaceX IPO. Like I think like you
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
the Robinhood users you can start to register or say, oh, you want to participate in that.
Yeah. There's so many exchanges supporting this time, and more details to come to for like from official disclosure, like the exact
Mm,
market cap of the fundraising. I
mm.
remember it's lower than 1 trillion, like
No,
seven
no.
hundred billion
I
or
think it's
something.
1.75 trillion based on the information I
So
got yesterday.
I think that so high. I
Is that
think
wrong?
it cut a lot. Uh,
Really?
yeah. Let me see. Oh, yes, it is. Oh, 1.7.
Yeah, 1.75 trillion. And then they are
What?
selling, I think 500, like 555, like 5.5 millions of shares. And then with each share price at like 135.
Okay, let me search the related tweets about this.
Yeah.
Um,
Okay.
the biggest, everyone says it's the biggest IPO deal in history, right?
It is. I mean, the last time the similar size or half of a size IPO, I think is like for oil company in UAE, if I remember correctly. Okay, I gotta get into the
Oh,
elevator. So 1 minute, like Alvin, please take
yeah,
over.
yeah, yeah. In the meantime, I will search the related tweets about the SpaceX IPO. It's about to happen next week. We all know that so many big companies about Elon Musk will take lots of new initiative this year, yeah, including Tesla, Optimus, robotics company, or even this one, SpaceX. So indeed, there are lots of things happening this month, like World Cup, SpaceX IPO, etc. Yeah, let me see the related tweets. Okay, I will change the tweets in English. Actually, the comment about the SpaceX IPO, um, diverse. Some people think it's worth playing, so they will put a lot of money to participate in this round. But some people uh decides not because they think maybe the valuation is a bit higher than they thought, or it's not so much space for the profit. Yeah, because the exact date of the trading SpaceX stocks um hadn't been announced yet. So let me see. Okay.
Hello, I'm back. Can you hear me,
Yeah,
Ollie?
yeah, can
Did
can
you
hear.
walk them through the IPO stuff?
Yeah, I'm checking the related tweets
Mm. I mean,
because
one thing I was trying to dig more information is about the IPO is like you see when they announce the IPO, they say, oh, the share price is gonna be priced like 135 each share, right? But then like if you remember on Hyperliquid right now, like every each single share is priced at like 189, something like that. So there's like if say Hyperliquid is pricing like really like per share, then that just means like Hyperliquid right now, the current like secondary market share is like trading at a 30% or 40% of price premium against
oh,
the IPO pricing.
I see.
But I
Mm,
also checked the settlement of the contract for Hyperliquid. So essentially the Hyperliquid contract, the pricing will be changed after the first trading day. So it will be aligned with the first trading price after like the successful IPO.
okay.
Mm-mm.
Oh, I
Um,
found a tweet from Capacitator.
what is it?
Yeah, it's about the
Let's go through the tweet.
yeah. The valuation is 1.77 trillion market cap for SpaceX. Yeah, I just share the screen. You can directly see the tweet. Okay, may not vanished again. So let me dig into if there are more details about the revenue side from SpaceX. Mm, oh, may not come back again. Okay.
Yes. Sorry, I have a lot of technical difficulty. I'm also like trying to research on the SpaceX IPO. I mean, I think after the live stream, I will also try from my Robinhood account to see like how easy it is to participate in the IPO. But I do
Oh,
remember
nice.
like there's like limitation of Robinhood account. Several months ago, I actually participated in the IPO for Figma, and then that
Mm,
was like the very first the maybe the first case where like Robinhood start to offer like IPO stocks. And then of course like Figma went up a lot, but Robinhood also have this requirement say, oh, you can't really sell the shares that you get from the IPO sales. If you sell within like say 2 months of the IPO date, you are not able to participate in any like uh other IPOs after this. So I don't know if that will be for SpaceX.
mm, gotcha. Let me see.
Mm. I mean, let me actually just quickly see. Robinhood space IPO. Can I sell Robinhood IPO? Does it implement any
Okay, in the meantime,
restrictions?
I searched some like revenue stats about SpaceX from Grok.
Oh, so basically, yes, you can sell IPO shares with it, but Robinhood has a flipping policy. What is it? It is like if you selling the IPO share within 30 days of their public debut is considered flipping. The restriction is that while Robinhood will not stop you from selling, doing so within that 30-day window can restrict you from participating in any future IPO access programs for 60 days. So you are basically banned for 60 days for IPO access. And then
Oh,
if you think
so
about it,
we
like
cannot sell the SpaceX stocks for 30 days or how long
yes,
is it? Oh, 30
30
days.
days.
Okay.
Yes. Or you can sell it, but then you will be banned for 60 days for the access to other IPOs that's happening on
Okay.
Robinhood. Mm.
That means we may miss like an Anthropic deal or something if
Yes,
it happens.
correct.
Mm.
I mean,
It
I
means a
mean,
lot.
I also was surprised for the Anthropic, like people are saying, oh, because Anthropic, like
Mm.
several days ago, the official account says, oh, they are
Yeah,
they just
submit the
filed. Yeah.
yeah. Seems they are gonna run OpenAI to be the first one to do IPO this year. Mm.
I
Things
mean,
get more
for the
interesting.
AI stock, yes.
Yeah. People are discussing the um premium or the difference between the market cap of two companies because the latest valuation of Anthropic is quite bigger than OpenAI, the current market cap. Yeah. But still,
What
there are
what's the
still
difference right now?
latest valuation of Anthropic is about 900 billion and nearly 1 trillion. Yeah, but for OpenAI, still the 600 billion. Yeah.
Mm,
But still many supporters bullish on OpenAI compared to Anthropic. Yeah.
mm. I mean, I think our standing is very clear, right? For us, like given like what we have seen all the contracts or where like how powerful the AI models are, both me and Alvin, I can confidently say like we are both betting a little bit more on Anthropic rather than OpenAI. And I also so I already told everyone this week I'm going to a lot of tech week events. So I'm also talking to like many large corporations and I will say like when I talk to those like corporations, they're internally they are also choosing Anthropic over OpenAI. But
Yeah. But why not we
full
choose both? But maybe yeah.
but full disclosure is that me, I actually use ChatGPT a lot more than Cloud. Mm.
Oh, you mean always or recently?
Always.
Oh,
Cause that has been
about
my like
codecs or each
no
function
no
you use the most?
I
Everyone?
just use
Every?
like I just use like for everyday. I'm just talking about the everyday usage. I think for coding it's still better for cloud, right? But for everyday usage, for me, because my main usage is like I will do brainstorm with AI. I will ask AI, say maybe, oh, can you walk me through the business use cases of some things, right? In that sense, I think like ChatGPT is already good enough.
Hmm, I see.
But and I also think like so for I don't know if Alvin you use like ChatGPT a lot, but ChatGPT 5.5, and if you choose the thinking mode, it's actually really really smart. The deep
Oh,
thinking mode. Mm.
um, I think people love the latest version of like creating figures or pictures from ChatGPT much compared to other models. Yeah,
Oh
I think
yes. Yeah,
it's
yeah, yeah.
yeah, it's very clear to see. And
Mm-hmm.
also for code review, many people tend to throw to Codex to get some reviews and go back to cloud then finish the
Mm-hmm.
project. I see so many my coders doing this. Yeah,
You know, right now, like how advanced it is, like you can actually um you can actually like connect your Notion doc to an MCP and then let the AI to go through each of the requirements. And then the AI will, maybe do the first round of a revision. And after that, you check if everything has been fixed. And AI will also tell you, oh, I have fixed like problem A, B, C, D, E. And then after that, you can start to work on it. And this has been like how I work together with the engineering team, which has been great.
yeah.
And every day I'm just like so amazed by like how effective those
Mm.
tools are more and more.
I haven't tried much integrations about Notion, but I do think yeah it may help lots of uh no matter working efficiency or um to lower the barriers discussing many things with our colleagues.
Hmm. Mm, yeah.
Okay.
Around trading is likely to start around June 12th. Okay, I'm still looking at it. Now let's take a look at the Anthropic IPO. But I think for the Anthropic IPO, they haven't released any details except that
Yeah,
they will it was so it's confirmed that Anthropic was valued at the 965 billion in the latest funding round. This like
yeah.
I also know some of like the family offices or the funds they received this deal. So this is confirmed. Um
Is the trading date of SpaceX stocks announced yet?
SpaceX? No. I mean everybody is
Not yet.
saying June 12th. I probably but I don't think like anyone has confirmed it. But one thing is that SpaceX really, really pulled a lot of strings from the Fed, from the SEC, right? Many, many rules has been made exceptional for them so that like they will
Yeah.
be actually like bought by all the funds and for all the retirement funds. And if you really look into the most recent buyers for say US equities or even US bonds, historically it always has been, I guess, maybe more like the larger funds, but recently it has been like more those active trading firms.
Mm.
uh, so that's why like naturally we're seeing more volatility in stocks, more volatility in the interest yield and everything. It's because like the buyers has coming not just from like domestically from US investors. It also comes more and more from international buyers. And then same applies to say for US Treasury, right? Historically it's a lot of like other countries. They will put like they will use their country like treasury to get into that, but now it's less of that. It's more like international trading teams, international large funds are dipping into that. So we see volatility everywhere. And I think
Yes.
at the same time, like for all the other countries, their balance sheet, I don't know what they're getting into. Probably they're either getting into more like a physical resources, or maybe they will rotate back to commodity.
Yes.
I am you wanted to say something, Alvin? Sorry.
Oh. I just share the
Mm-mm.
search result from Grok about the SpaceX. We can check it out about the
Yeah.
revenue or yeah.
Yes.
Hmm. Yeah, is there the revenue? Two
Four
digits
point
growth?
six nine billion. I mean, if you gonna value SpaceX as a company purely from its revenue perspective, I don't think it can. It's like really, really excellent. To be honest, like
Yep.
I think like Elon is really, really good at like telling everybody his dream and or his plan to get onto Mars, and also like to essentially like allow human beings to live on Mars, right? And then people are also speculating, oh, maybe there will be a merge between SpaceX and Tesla.
Yes.
Mm.
And here it says, yeah, Starlink has become a clear cash engine, but the company remains in heavy investment mode for Starship satellite expansion, AI computing infra.
Mm.
Yeah, I think AI computing infra is the hottest narrative right now in the market, right?
Yeah, me personally, I think like the investment logic for SpaceX is never about like how much revenue they are making right now. It's more about like, do you trust in Elon's
Yes.
storytelling capability,
Yep.
and do you trust his like capital capability, right? I
Yeah.
think like he has proven he has like a proven track record of, okay, persuading lawmakers to make exceptions for him, right?
Yeah.
To allow all those things happens. He is doing the biggest IPO that we have ever seen. And
Yeah.
do we trust he will continue to execute this kind of like storytelling capability and persuading other people, other wealthy people to give him money to do what he want? I think my answer is yes. I don't know about you.
Yeah. Sure. Um, just like you say, we are not purely investing in the company, but also Elon himself. Yeah, and
Mm,
it's the for SpaceX, there are a lot of first things they're gonna do in the whole world. So yeah, I'm surely gonna participate in
hmm.
participate it. Yeah.
So I feel like I mean, anything right now is like social trading or speculation, or more like whether you trust the founder's capability to do more things, to tell more stories. And then I me personally, I would definitely bet on Elon in that sense.
Yeah, for sure.
And while we are chatting, right? Let me show you guys something. Uh, MU is back over 1,000 while we are talking about it.
Actually, SanDisk bouncing back very hard.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
after the market opens. I think it's one of the it performs like very well compared to other stocks.
It's already back almost 1,800.
Hmm, so crazy.
Guys, okay, let me actually remove this. Yeah,
Is
it's already.
it is the dump started from Broadcom? I saw many people
Oh, you mean last
people.
night? Oh, I
Yes,
think.
yes, because
I.
even the finance report, the data shows quite good, but lower than people's expectation or something. So stock price down a lot. Yeah, we can see like from 500 to 400 right now. Wow, 25% drop. Hmm. Let me check the market cap of the Broadcom. Oh, 2 trillion. Oh, so big. Oh,
I feel.
I even saw a picture very interesting showing that uh the the future in the future, maybe like the market cap of Exopic will go over
Mm,
than Alphabet. Yeah, crossover. They will. There is a crossover happening maybe in 3 years.
mm, mm. I mean, we all saw the news about Warren Buffett, the Berkshire Hathaway invested, I think, 10 billion in Google.
Mm, yes,
Mm.
they are raising another round.
Every single company needs to raise for their AI capex. No,
Yeah.
no
Yes.
matter what,
Yes.
how much of like a cash cow you are, how much cash or how uh, lucrative you are.
Yep.
Mm-mm.
It's like a game. If you don't try to bet, you will lose the game right now. Mm.
True. Yeah, agree. Because
It's a
you will
game
feel
theory.
peer pressured of like investing into it, and then essentially like people who doesn't have the actual resources to produce more, right? Here in the sense it's like if you don't have like the AI computer power, or you don't have the physical infrastructure to produce more AI computing power, then you are ultimately losing the game, because no matter what you want to do on the large language model side, on the training side, it will be dependent on the computing powers. And then
Yes.
you need electricity, you need storage, and you need the infra, underlying infra to run the models.
Exactly.
Hmm. Yeah, I do think like the drawdown, no matter in like MU, in hype, is all very temporary. We also see like some. I think it's like 6% or 7% drawdown this morning for hype.
Oh yes, yes. Because
Mm,
there, a big unlock is is coming. Like 2 days left, like we say, like previously.
yeah, yeah.
Seldom see a 10% drop of hype. Yeah.
For full disclosure, right? I did get buybacks on hype. I think it's a good hold. And this time, I'm not going to sell it easily. I mean, okay, maybe I shouldn't say this. I think this time, like, I will be a bit more patient. Last time, I sell. I told everyone, right? I sold at like 64, and now it's like back around like 67. So I'm picking it back.
Yeah, I think
I
50, 60 is a good price.
yeah, yeah, I will hold this side a little bit longer than maybe I wanted to. I don't know. But as I tell like all my audience, right, I will disclose like most of my positions so that like people know. Um, Alvin, well, are you still holding your hype?
I will wait until the performance after token lock. Mm.
And then
Maybe
decide
next
whether
week.
you're gonna.
Yeah,
Oh, I see, I see.
maybe next
Okay,
week.
okay. Let's wait and see.
Yes.
Yeah, but I'm impatient. I'm like, okay, I think it's a good time. Let's get back some hype.
Yeah. Oh,
mm,
WorldCoin pump a lot. I don't know why. Maybe OpenAI proxy? I don't know.
WorldCoin?
Yes. Actually, it performs very well compared to other altcoins these 2 weeks.
No, but WorldCoin just pumped. I mean, last 24 hours, like just like 4% increase. 7 days. Oh, 7 days is a 90% increase. Crazy. Wow.
Yeah, and so many people gonna show this coin, even after Hayes. Oh, after Hayes say, oh, he thinks all his position about hype and near, right? And
Really? He said
he
that?
showed WorldCoin a lot. Yeah, his TFP is still the hypercat. What the fuck?
Fuck. Let me see. Oh my God, he did say that. He said he I okay,
Yeah,
let me pull this tweet out. Oh wow. everybody, all the hype bag holders. Maybe I mean, we shouldn't blame him, but okay, let's see. He says, I just dumped my entire hype and near position. I will explain
Just
why
check
in my
his
essay.
PFP.
Reality test dropping next Tuesday. TLDR, higher energy price due to Iran war and inventory restocking. Three mega AI IPOs between now and early Q3. Prediction that Trump goes anti-AI to win midterms for Republicans. I think housing market will happen by the between now and September. Time to take profit and to step in BIFA without worrying about my position. Okay,
I
sure.
think people now may not believe every everything he say on Twitter. Yeah. So it's
Sure.
okay. Just let it go.
He can maintain his position. I mean, he can double his high or near position. Sure. Are
Yeah.
we? No, I'm not. Thank you, Arthur Hayes,
Thank you, Arthur
and
Hayes.
thank you, Arthur Hayes, for your tweet. And then I don't have any position on WorkCoin, so it's okay. Do you,
Yes,
Alvin?
it's so weird. Leo, not so much. I check like near the performance of near and WorldCoin because we all know that even the crypto market is very bad, very sad, and but near announced many updates or improvements about their mechanism, AI privacy related things in the past few weeks.
I mean, I do
Yeah,
have seen Near have been pumping a lot during the last several months. Even though like you don't really
no.
see a lot of news on the timeline, but yes, they have been pumping quietly, I would say.
Yes, yes. Actually, near is one of the few coins has a positive performance this year. Yeah, let me search the photo.
Oh, there's a photo.
Um,
But there
yeah,
has
to
also been
show
a lot of like trading volume on Near token recently. If you really look at the
yeah, yes, exactly. Oh, I got yeah, we
like
once
if you
shared
guys
this
want to,
photo previously.
oh, in terms of
Mm,
like what you put in, like is that gonna earn you money?
yep,
Hmm. Yeah, near. I mean, I also share like this price chart, right? But you definitely can see the recently the near token has so much trading volume compared to a week ago. So probably right now is a good time to take some profit in your token. You are muted, Alvin.
sorry, sorry.
Mm.
Yeah, I thought the structure you can see is very good compared to other coins. So maybe my target will be over three, but I think
Mm.
uh they even know market maker or something quite sucks.
What do you mean their market maker sucks? What
Yeah,
does that mean?
you can directly see the structure of new coins is quite good compared to others. So maybe I thought it will be over three, but not. Yeah, my fault.
Okay. Do you are
Yeah,
you a near token holder?
no,
Okay, fine. Okay.
I just did a swing trade.
You just did a swing trade on near?
Yeah, last week. Near WorldCoin together, but
Mm,
yeah, WorldCoin performs better, much better.
mm. Mm-mm.
Yep.
Yeah, I really I don't do swing trade very often. I'm more like a
Mm.
buy and
Me
hold
too.
for a short term and then sell like until okay it get to the price that I like.
Yeah, trading is very difficult in crypto space right now. Yep.
Mm-mm. Mm, yeah, I mean now we're just seeing like all the assets are slowly climbing back. MRVL is also back above 300.
Oh, nice. That's nice.
Mm. I think we're gonna just see like this eternal uptrend for the US stock for a for a little bit longer time. It's
Mm-hmm.
true. It's hard to believe, but it's true.
Yep.
Mm, and let's check.
Oh, okay.
I think there's also more speculation on SpaceX IPO. Mm,
Yeah. Though the market is not so good, but yeah, I think many people
mm.
will bet on this.
Broadway show presentation. I'm just trying to check. Wow. Oh, Coinbase is also offering SpaceX like pre-IPO perps.
Oh, oh, there's an interesting picture. Let me send to you
They just
about
announced like
the
5 hours ago.
about the listing, breaking analysis of different listing performance of different exchanges. Like we mentioned, like Monet, they listed on Coinbase
Mm, mm,
first, then Korean exchanges,
mm,
and the analysis shows coins listed on different exchanges lead to different results. Yeah, if we list Bybit or Coinbase first, maybe the coins
mm,
have a better performance compared to other routes.
mm.
I just send the picture to you.
Binance spot list tokens on average negative 10% from initial price equals good entry. Upbit list tokens on average 27% up from initial price peak. What? So Coinbase and Bybit they are the early discoverers for the pricing, and then Korea exchanges provide exit liquidity. Oh my god,
Yeah.
who created this stock? It's true, but is this like
Um,
AI or what is it?
no, no, no. Let me see. I forgot the source, but it has so many photos. I think it's a complicated research. Yeah, let me find the source.
Bybit listing recorded an average peak of plus 86%. It says like users on first mover exchange, Coinbase or Bybit, get the lowest
Oh,
entry price
it's
relatively to
from
the initial
it's from
peak,
IOSG. Oh my God, it's from IOSG.
and the highest upside potential average peak is like greater than plus 70%.
The report is from IOSG.
Mm-mm. Oh yeah, I saw it now.
Hmm.
Basically, they're
Oh,
talking about from Coinbase to Upbit. a token, how do they how does it experience like how does really a newly listed token perform within the 80 days within the 30 days after listing, which is very true actually.
Yep.
I'm pulling this article out. Usually like the token will get another pump after they get listed on uh Korea exchanges.
Mm. We once did a graph about these. Um,
Look, this is like 2026, right? After token get listed, say Binance
yep.
spot. Oh wow. 30 days after that. You see, 30 days after all those like big exchanges listing,
Yeah.
the average average token performance is like negative 26% or 25%. That's crazy.
Mm. That's why um, the trading volume of secondary market is quite much lower than last year.
Yeah, I
Even
mean,
especially after the October disaster. Yeah.
it's inevitable that people start to realize, okay, all those like token listing, it will just give you a very temporary pump of things, but it's
Mm.
never going to be long lasting.
Yes. Crypto guys are smart compared to other markets.
is that is that a compliment or is that a sarcasm, Alvin?
Both, both. If we can survive for over 2 or 3 cycles in crypto, we will be uh, the percentage to be successful, be a successful investor compared to other market is quite high, much higher, I would say.
I mean, one thing I would say, like for all the crypto users, right, or traders, it is it's actually the current meta or the current like environment for US stock is the best environment for crypto traders because it's so volatile. But crypto users are so used to volatility and they are constantly chasing for more volatility. So we actually have a bit more of advantage in terms of like how well we are adapted to those volatility because maybe normal users they will be so scared looking at those like huge swings of stocks, right? Usually like if you are not a crypto trader, you are like a usual US stock trader, you see a 10%, you're like what's going on? But crypto users like okay, sounds good. And then
Okay.
crypto user,
Yeah.
yeah, then you look at like Marvel, right? It has like a plus 30 or 40% swing, and crypto trader are still like chasing, APing. It's
Yes.
amazing. I'm
Yes.
like, oh wow. Yeah. So
That's why we say for stuff from this year, we need to be more adaptive to all kind of things because um, the mode it will be more
mm,
uh,
mm.
unpredictable. Yeah, in the future.
Yeah. So in some way, to be honest, like this is our mode. So take advantage of that
Yes.
and to do well in trading. Now I see what's on my timeline after we talk so much about SpaceX, right? There were people saying, oh, Goldman Sachs expects SpaceX AI revenue to surge 100 times by 2030.
100 times.
Uh,
Hmm.
yeah.
So in 3 years. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Cool. Cool.
Another thing is like I also went to like a JP Morgan event yesterday. They were talking about maybe some like payment stuff, but again, old stories like the bigger banks they are still just at the very beginning of the I would say blockchain infra. They start to learn more about stable coins. They are also maybe utilizing some like blockchain infrastructure to enabling the payment rails, but that's pretty much it. And they're all also just working with like big blue chips companies in that sense.
Mm.
Mm, yeah. And then we also briefly talk about how some of their like employees, not their employees, like, is, should I say this on the live stream? But like, I asked them, "Oh, are you guys laying off people?" They say, "Oh, not so much laying off, but they also like pause hiring, and then they're definitely not like opening up the position when people retire." And then they say, "Oh, for some of the people who retire, they don't even know how to use laptop to convert like documents to PDF." I'm like, "Oh," or I'm like,
Yeah.
what should I say? This is like how segmented the society is of it. Now we are talking about using AI to code everything, like connect the Notion, using an MCP to connect to Notion, like do the debugging, right? On the other hand, there's still people who doesn't really understand the power of AI. So the world is very, very diversified. There are plenty of opportunities for everyone.
Yes. Many things we encounter or we see naturally actually it's not so common um out of crypto space. Yeah. So I
I
think
agree.
maybe lower
Yeah.
than 10% of people in the
Mhm.
world use AI every day to do some advanced missions, tasks. Yeah, I think most people still do some simple Q&A to solve their daily questions. That's enough.
Agree. So I guess like everybody, please stay bullish, stay optimistic about about the market. Don't trust other people telling you it's a bubble. Yes, everything is a bubble if you really think about it. But I don't think anyone can tell you when the bubble gonna burst. And if the bubble bursts, that day come, then okay, you can sell your position. But before that, I think we can just enjoy the ride as always.
Yeah, for sure. I think
Any mm,
for crypto guys, I'm still so bullish about the adaptability of us because there's the must to have ability um in this cycle. Yeah, in the
it
coming a
is
few years, a couple of years in our life.
true. Anyways, thank you guys for your 1 hour. Really appreciate it. And then we will see you next Monday. Hopefully, like everything gonna be great, great next Monday. Uh,
Yeah,
and have a fun weekend, by the way. Any fun plans for you, Alvin?
plans. Mm, I will play volleyball, try to back to college life. I think it's a it's a mm, it's a worth sharing experience for me. Yeah. So yeah, I think it's I'm very excited for this. Yeah,
Yeah, me too. I'm excited
and
for your
meet some of my
basketball
old
playing.
friends.
Mm,
Yeah, and also meet some of my friends since uh high school. Yeah.
okay. My weekend, I
Yeah.
have a lot of friends in town from Tech Week, so probably it will be a busy weekend for me. But hopefully, I can get some offer from them.
Oh, nice, nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everybody, have a great weekend. See you.
Yes, cherish your friendship and family. Bye bye.
Cheers to that.